What's up, YouTube? Well, I needed a bigger compressor other than that and that I had there. So I picked this up on off-road for about 200 bucks. Yeah, I gave that guy 20 bucks more, so it was 220. So it's a 60-gallon. I don't know how you say this. Ciasons Industrial. Ciasons Santa Ana, California. You can see that's the model number SSC 5060. It's a 60-gallon tank, built 1997. 5 horsepower, 3-cylinder. You can see there, extra heavy duty. It's in really nice shape. It came out of a car wash. It was like a car wash detailing business that I took it out from. And it was still running when I got it out. It was full of air when I got it out. And it's a 220 or 230, I think, whatever the case may be. Yeah, 230, 16 amp motor. You could tell it needs work. It's all complete, very nice. It's been kept indoors, I think, most of its life. You can see has no rust. So I'm gonna try to keep it that way. But you know, it needs work. I think there's has play on the motor shaft, if you can see. But I mean, other than that, it sounds really good. Double belt driven. I mean, this is perfect for your home. It's perfect. It's a perfect home compressor. Even though I seen people use these in shops and things like that, you know, body work, and they are really nice. Yeah. The gauge is no good, but I already have a replacement. Missing the air filter cover, but the surprising thing, you still could buy parts for these. So I like this little thing. It's not too big, not too small. Just right for what I needed. Hey, thanks for watching. And yeah, it's gonna be. I'm gonna take it apart, and it seems like there's gonna be like a bronze bushing that's kind of worn out back there in the back. That's gonna need replacing. So I'm gonna have to give it a good cleaning, even though it was still being used till yesterday. It was still running, and there were no issues with it. It needs some TLC. Thanks for watching. I'll make another video when I'm taking it apart. Thanks.